Squirrel time. I just watched him try and climb on a fence. He's a baby. It was hilarious. I should have taped it. You coming to eat the peanuts that I've been throwing for Blue, one at a time, and he buries right where you are? Looks like the mockingbird's flying down to eat them too. I tell Blue this is what happens. The ground critters come and eat it up. There you go, right there, Blue. See? Blue's right above him. You see? Sometimes Blue will come down and get angry at the squirrel. Look at him, he's eating yours. He's eating. I hear a cat imitating you to a T. I just heard it. Yeah, you watching him? He's eating all your hard work. Trying to bury things. Crazy bird. Crazy squirrel. You're all crazy. Backyard craziness. Gonna get another one. See, Blue? I know. Are you gonna go get him? Get him. I've seen you do it before. He's gonna eat them all. Meanwhile, Cat sings constant. Blue just swooped him. Hey, there's a bird in the tree that's very angry at you. Stay here. Come here. Look how young he is. Oh, Blue's gonna get you. Let's see if we have a ruckus here. That's a mockingbird. Yeah, the mockingbird told you go away. Funny, backyard birding. I highly recommend. Ciao for now.